Good morning, children. Welcome back to our EVS class. Today we will learn a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Plants Around Us. Lesson number 12, Plants Around Us. So, in this lesson, we will learn about plants and their parts, about big and small plants, about other kinds of plants, and also how to take care of plants and how a plant helps us. So let's start the class. Can you see the picture of a leaf? Yes, this is known as a leaf. This is a flower, and these are the roots. The roots grow under the soil. The roots are underground, and that's why we cannot see the roots unless we pluck out the plant, isn't it? There are different kinds of plants around us. Parts of a plant. Let us now learn the different parts of a plant. Plants have different parts like buds, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits, stem, and roots. They are the parts of a plant. Let us see in this picture. Can you see the roots, children? Yes, these are the roots. And the roots grow under the ground, so you cannot see them. This is the stem. This is the stem. And these are the fruits. There are also many flowers. Can you see the branch and the leaves? So these are the parts of a plant. Now there are big and small plants. Some plants are big while some are small. Big plants. You know, children, big plants are known as trees. Trees are big and strong. They have thick woody stems called trunks. Some trees also bear flowers and fruits. Can you see the tree, the coconut tree? And here there's a picture of a banyan tree. So what are trees, children? Big plants are known as trees. Let's learn about the small plants. Shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers are examples of small plants. Small plants are not very tall. Now small plants are not very tall. Shrubs. Let us understand what are shrubs. Plants smaller than trees are called shrubs. Plants smaller than trees are called as shrubs. Do you know the name of trees, children? Okay. Now we will learn about some shrubs. Some common shrubs are rose, China rose, cotton, basil. Basil is tulsi, the tulsi plant. And henna. Henna, which means mehendi. Can you see the rose plant? The China rose and basil. So these are shrubs. Let's learn about herbs. Herbs are plants which are smaller than shrubs. Mint, grass and wheat are some example of herbs. Can you see the mint, grass and wheat? They are known as herbs. Climbers. Let's learn about climbers. Some plants climb on walls or other plants for support. They are called climbers. Grapevine and money plant are some example of climbers. Now climbers don't have branches, and their branches, the stem is very thin, and they need support. So they usually climb onto walls or other plants for support. Can you see the climber? A pea plant is also a climber plant. The grapevine is also a climber plant, and as well as money plant. Money plant is also a climber plant. Now there are some plants which are known as creepers. As the name says, they creep on the ground. Creepers. Some plants crawl along the surface. They are called creepers. For example, pumpkin plant and watermelon. They come in creepers. Okay, they are known as creepers. Other kinds of plants. Some plants like the lotus and water lily grow in water. They are called water plants. Cactus is a plant that grows in the desert. Cactus is a plant that grows in the desert. It has many thorns. The thorns store water, and so the cactus plant does not need much water. It can survive for many years without water. And cactus are seen only in desert regions. Taking care of plants. Plants need a lot of care. We should water them regularly. We should keep them outside so that they get enough sunshine. We should not pluck their flowers or leaves. Now children, as a plant needs water, it also needs a little bit of sunshine. For it to grow, it needs water as well as sunshine. So how can you take care of a plant? By watering them regularly and keeping them outside for some time in the sunshine. And what must you remember, children? Never pluck the leaves or the flowers of a plant. Plants are helpful. Let us study how plants are helpful. Plants are helpful to us in a number of ways. Plants give us air to breathe. We get oxygen from plants. They give us shelter. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Do you know, children, what plant needs to grow? Plant also needs water and sunshine to grow well. Plants are very important, so we must take care of plants. Words I learnt. Enough. Do you know the meaning of enough? Enough means as much or as many. Support. Help. Meaning of support is to take help. Thorns. Small, sharp tips. A rose plant has a lot of thorns, no? Thorns means kata in Hindi, okay? Thorns, small, sharp tips. Bamboo is the fastest growing grass. Knowing is fun, and here the bee says bamboo is the fastest growing grass. Now let us answer some questions by saying yes or no. Some trees also bear fruits. Is it right, children? Yes. Grass is a shrub. No, grass is not a shrub. Grass is a herb. Shrubs are smaller than herbs. Oh, that is also wrong. because herbs are smaller than shrubs. Lotus is a water plant. Yes, that is right. Cactus grows in the desert. That is also right. So, yes. Can you see the diagram of a plant? Yeah. So, I'm going to send you the PDF. I want you to draw a neat diagram and color it using crayons or color pencils. But no using sketch pens. Sketch pens are not allowed. And neatly draw and label the diagram. Okay, children, and copy down all the notes that I'm giving in your EVS book, that is your flower book, and write neatly and submit it to me on Friday. That's all for today, children. Take care. Bye bye.